Mr. Chairman, the king of all the room. And when the bell was 8:30, he loads upon the Zoom. He sent for his disciples, and to he spit their blood. He says, "Thank you for the music, cause his death was dying of glad." He gets it down, he gets it down. Who's running order is his favourite noun. He puts it on the chat, and that is final, that is that. So get the ready to party your roll. The beer is sold to the counter. The cans are scattered in his stands. But don't you even think of dropping in that for a drink? Cause Pat's right pulled the whiskey and he's thrown up in his hair. He's going down, he's going down. And after before he falls down on the ground. With Alex going metal cause the chairman's in a bed. He sneaks it off the Wednesday, then he starts it all again. Oi, 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 oi. Is it me next? Or is it you? You stole my song, you know it's true. Oh, what's the silly left we got to do? So when the mugshots are all loaded, the party can begin with all the singers and the crooners and the poets joining in. Several on the sofa, couple on the bed, and one bloke in the dark who Paddy thinks he's off his Jeff. Jeff fights it in, Jeff fights it in. To his spreadsheet where the stats I get there in. You want to know the what, the where, then ask if you are able. You hold up all his charts and then you guessed it. The cable table, the cable table, go into cable, or broke the fable. The beer is held up to the counter. The cans are scattered where he sat. Don't you even think of dropping in there for a drink? Cause Pat drank all the whiskey and he's thrown up on the cap. Pat gets it on, Pat gets it on. You can hear him with his brand new microphone. And if there's too much talking then the chairman intervenes. You have no authority here, Jeff Jobsworth. You have no authority here. The beer is held up to the counter. The cans are scattered where he's been. But don't you even think of dropping in there for a drink? Cause Pat drank all the whiskey, Pat drank all the whiskey, Pat drank all the whiskey and he's thrown up on the screen.
Yay, dancers!